Hello, JC.
Hi.
This white shirt's not working so good with this background. Oh, well, this is an informal meeting, so I'm just ahead.
Should we let them to be the panelists one by one to see whether they can share their screen?
That's a good idea.
It's on. Do you want to do that? No. Okay, I will. Oh, yeah. Sure.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Got a lot of people lined up there. Have you talked to them, JC?
Yeah. So should we let them to be the panelists one by one?
Yes, definitely,
Yeah.
so they can practice sharing their screen.
Yeah, okay. Maybe I'll start with, oh, wait a minute, I'll just let
You could just go top to bottom, start with Trishini, or go in group order.
Yeah, but I'll just let Evelina come first. The panelist. And we can start from the bottom with Michael from Cycle 1 and Group 5. I'll also make him the panelist right now.
Okay. I don't think they can do much as attendees. I guess they can hear you talk.
Yeah.
So, hello, everybody.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Is this
Okay.
Marco?
Yes, I'm Marco from Group 5. Yeah.
Do you want to try sharing your screen?
Okay, sure. I think I had to. Sorry,
Hey, JC, send me that background. I like the leaves on the sides.
Oh, I thought I sent you this background before.
I think I have the older version. That's okay. No rush. I think you're a little busy.
I'm sorry because I think I faced some technical difficulties here using my iPad. So maybe I guess I'll switch back to my laptop so that I think it would be easier for me to share my screen.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm really sorry about that.
Can everybody hear me? Well, one of the things you should keep in mind is that when you share your screen, you click on the green button at the bottom, and there's two tick boxes down there, share computer sound and optimize screen sharing for video clip. If you want to run a video, you definitely should click those two boxes, because that's the only way you'll get the computer sound, and the screen sharing, when it's optimized, it goes full screen, which makes the video look much better. So I highly recommend ticking those two boxes at the bottom of the share screen in the bottom left corner. Can everybody hear me? If you just say yes, Brant, if you can hear me.
Yes.
Yes. Anybody else? It's good to see everybody. Ishan. Hi, Trishini.
Hi, sir.
Advit and Abudit. Abudit.
No.
You know Abudit because he doed it.
Okay, while Marco has to prepare with his laptop, how about we also let Ayan from Cycle 2 Group 41 to try his audio and also to share his screen.
Sounds good.
Well, I think he's unable to do that right now. So we will try with another student. How about Ritika from Cycle 2 Group 26?
Who did you announce? Who was it?
Ritika from Cycle 2 Group 26. Oh. Yeah.
How about Charlotte? I haven't talked to her in a long time. Charlotte, do you want to try being a panelist and sharing your screen?
Can you hear me?
Just barely.
Okay. Can you hear me better now?
Yes,
Yes.
it's much better. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and share your screen.
Can you see it?
No. Oh yes, there's your video. Hello.
Hello.
Do you want to try sharing your screen, that green button at the bottom to share your desktop?
No. No. Oh, it says that I am sharing my screen. Can you see
Yes,
it?
Yes,
yeah.
you are. But
Okay.
it's not full screen. It's just ready to go. But I'm
Like
sure it'll work fine. Yeah, there you
this?
go. There you go.
Yeah.
Perfect. Are you guys going to show a video?
No, we don't have a video.
Okay,
And I
that's
still need
fine.
to collect everyone's notes. But yeah, other than that, we're ready to go.
Sounds good. All right. Is it early there where you are?
Yeah, it's 6 o'clock.
I was going to say, you look a little
Yeah.
sleepy.
Yeah. No, but I'm lucky because today my lessons start a little later. So once I'm done here, I can just go back to bed for like an hour or something.
Ah, very good. After
Yeah.
I'm done here, I'm going to sleep for the rest of the night.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you, Charlotte, for demonstrating. It looks like
Not at
it's
all.
working perfectly.
All right. So,
So, all right. You've done your duty. You can crash out.
all right. Yeah. I will see you guys later then.
All right. Look forward to it.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, hi. I think
Hi.
I've switched that. So yeah, I'll try to share my screen now. Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Okay. So
Is that a Genially site? Yes, it is.
can you guys see that?
It's good. I like the colors.
Yeah, and I think I can like kind of control my slides as well. So yes.
Very good. Good
Okay.
test.
Yep.
Is it Tukral? Am I saying it right? I see you're on your phone right now, but you might want to practice sharing from a device that you would use in the conference. So if you have time to boot that up and test it, you have what, an hour, JC, to try it? Good point about keeping an eye on the chat so the backup presenters will be ready to step in. Yeah, sure. I think when you're ready with your laptop, we'll be here for an hour, so whenever you're ready. Would anybody else like to go? Volunteers from the studio audience?
Can I try once?
Yeah.
Who is that?
Is that Koshla from Cycle 2 Group 20?
I'm not sure. Who wanted to try next? Who was it?
Hello.
Hello.
Grant. Actually, I had my school classes, so I have just joined right now. Can you please brief what has happened till now?
I couldn't quite catch that. What do you want?
Actually, I've joined just now because I had my school classes. So
That's
can you
fine.
please, so what's going on? Can you please brief me on that?
Well, JC's kind of running it here where we're bringing people up from attendees to panelists, and everybody's taking turns to try and see if they can share their screen. We're focusing on the presenters at this point, but I think the backup presenters should also test out their ability, but the priority would be the presenters. So whenever you're ready, if you want like to share your screen and
Yes, I
test out
would
your
like to.
microphone,
I'm
obviously.
for group 25, so I would like to try this one.
Okay. Well, if she's a panelist, is she already a panelist there, JC?
Yes, she is.
Then she can go ahead and try the share button, the share screen button at the bottom, and note two check boxes in the bottom left side of that screen. And if you're going to show a video, you should definitely tick those boxes to optimize, make sure that you can hear the audio, and also it goes full screen for a video. Sean. So yeah, the two tick boxes at the bottom are share computer sound, which is essential if you play a video and you want to be able to hear the audio from the video. And the other is the optimized screen sharing for video clip, and that goes full screen when you play a video clip. So I'd recommend you tick those two boxes. I think we have to tell everybody to do that, JC, because I don't think we can force that. Each presenter has to choose that.
Has to choose.
Sir, I would like to try. Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah,
Yes,
can I have
Christina.
your name?
Ma'am, can I present now, ma'am?
Yeah, okay, wait a minute.
It's a little bit of a mad rush with everybody here all at once. Hello, Trishini. You're muted. Hello, hello. There you go.
Sir, can you see my screen?
I do. I see your screen. I think we're on a chat right now. So try to select the screen that is your presentation. There you go. Genially Sight coming up. And you probably want to go full screen. Yeah, there you go. That looks good. Can you progress to the next slide? There you go. Looks good. I think you're in good shape. So JC, we were practicing on the presentations, and one of the things we worked out was there's a tick box that says hide your video if it's not on or something like that, because obviously you don't want to be on the screen all the time as a host. So you'll see in the first day, my video won't appear. The idea is to just see the presenter, and if they have any kind of audio problems, they will shut the video down. Very good, JC. So if they have any kind of audio problems, I'm recommending that the presenters, we can prompt them to shut down their video, and we can also force them to take down their video. But if there's any kind of compressed or squealy audio, and you can't hear what they're saying clearly, I think the first thing we should do is shut down the video so to focus on the audio for the presentation purpose.
Okay, sir.
So, Christine, can you now stop sharing your screen?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. And Koshna, do you want to share your screen right now?
Ishan, can you hear her? Looks like it's loading. There you go.
Are you able to see my screen?
I can, but
Yeah,
it's
I
not
can
running.
hear you.
Is it possible that before you share your screen that you can put it into full screen mode and then switch?
Actually, if you press present before you present the screen, then it will show the full screen.
So that might be preferable to, so when you very first share your screen, it's already in full screen presentation mode, if possible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I think it would save a bit of, you know, because this looks like it's not quite ready to go. Well, when it's full screen, it looks like it's set to go. So that's what I'd recommend is that you guys try to get your presentation in full screen mode, go back to the meeting, and when it's time to share, you share a full screen presentation with your video on. And we hope that we can see your face while you present, unless the audio quality gets too low.
Okay.
How's your audio? Can you say a few sentences, Ishan?
Yes, sir. Are you able to hear me? I'm audible?
It's pretty shaky. Why don't you present just the first slide? Just talk through it.
Yeah, okay. Just a minute.
Because I think your microphone may be too far away from your mouth.
Yeah, I guess. I wear a headphone and then, you know, I'll present. So maybe then the microphone would work.
Yes, if you have a headset with a boom mic, that would be the best.
Okay, sir. I will certainly do that.
Yeah, I'd recommend that for everybody. A boom mic with a noise canceling microphone is the best, followed by the kind of little headphones that come down like when you're using your phone and they're just earbuds. And then there's a microphone down near your mouth, if you know what I mean.
Yes.
That also works quite well.
Done.
Okay, well, yeah, so far so good. As long as you're, why don't you speak a sentence or so, Ishan?
Yes. So basically, I wanted to inform you in this slide. I wanted to inform you that we have actually created a website, and we will be putting that link in the chat box too, so you can check that out.
I would say that your audio is not good enough for the presentation purpose. You should try to get a better microphone, preferably a headset with a boom mic.
All right.
Because right now, I would give your audio about a 6 out of 10. It's a little bit distant and hard to understand, and you want it to be as clear as possible.
Okay, sir. So
just my recommendation.
In case an audio problem arises, can the backup presenter present too?
Sure. Yeah, you could actually work it out with your backup presenter if you want to share a presentation, but you need to have it very well coordinated, right? You don't want to be hesitating and deciding what to do in the presentation.
Sorry, hi everyone. Brant, actually, it's better that there is only one presenter so that people don't get confused. The backup presenter should be there in the case of technical issues. For example, if the internet connection of the main presenter becomes bad while he or she is presenting, then the backup presenter should be ready to take over.
Okay, so
yeah,
there's the official
that's
word.
How it would be easier to organize for the students as well.
So just the main presenter with the backup coming in if there's problems.
Yes, correct. And also the main presenter should be the one who is showing the presentation or sharing from their own computer, again, to avoid delays and so that it's easier for everyone like that. No, for example, it should be the main presenter presenting and sharing the presentation from their own computer, not dividing the roles of sharing and presenting. That's not how it should be. Just clarifying because there was a question about that in the Q&A section.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Ishan. Would somebody else like to share your screen?
Yeah, Paru is going next.
Is the presentation visible?
Yes.
So I would like to ask that my whole presentation is automated. So is it will it be fine if I just present it like give the speech before the presentation and it goes on without stopping at every slide and explaining everything because it has audio also? Hello?
Do you mean that your presentation already has voiceover in it?
Yes, it has.
So I believe I already answered to that. I answered that question in the Q&A. So we prefer live presentations. That means that you speak live during the conference. In the case of a technical issue, then you could, and there is no backup presenter, then you could continue with the pre-recording presentation. But
Okay.
everyone else will be doing their presentations live. So unless you really have a big technical issue, which is obviously not your fault, we understand.
Sure, I'll do that. I'll just run the presentation.
Okay. Yes, you speak during the presentation.
Looks good.
Divyansh, do you want to share your screen right now?
Yeah, sure. Can you hear me? Am I audible in the
Yeah.
first?
Yes,
Yeah.
I can hear you.
Yeah, I'll just share my screen 1 second.
Your mic is overgained, Divyansh. It's too loud.
Okay, so I'll just try to fix that in the final thing because I don't think I can. I'll try to manage it this time as well. I'll just share my screen first.
Okay.
Can you share? Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can.
Okay, so I'll just try to navigate through it right now. Is it maneuvering properly, the presentation?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll just try to work on the audio. Like, is it too distorted or is it still?
It's much better now. Yeah, much better. I think your mouth is a little farther away from the microphone. It was clipping before.
Yeah, that is possibly the reason because I just moved forward. So.
Yeah, it sounds fine now.
Okay, thank you. So should I just stop sharing right now?
Yes,
yeah,
thank
if
you.
you're satisfied,
Okay.
sure.
Thank you.
Shavi, do you want to try right now?
Yes, 1 second.
Yeah, sure.
Am I audible?
Yeah, I can see your PowerPoint just fine.
Is the screen
I
visible?
can hear you.
Yes.
And is my voice okay?
Yes.
Okay, should I stop sharing now?
Yeah, if you want. Do you think it's okay? everyone works.
If everything is fine, then I can stop sharing.
Yeah, okay, sure.
Can I share my screen? This is
Yeah, sure. Wait a minute. You can go after Cody. We shall call you.
okay, sure.
Yeah.
Okay, so can I share my screen now?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Is it visible?
Yes.
Am I visible?
Yeah.
Yes, looks good. A talking head and a nice presentation. Could you say a couple of sentences, Urja?
Yes, of course. So basically, we will start with our presentation like this, and we'll start with our criterias. And I wanted to ask something. We'll be showing 2 short videos, and it is possible that if we record that videos and then show, because it won't be possible for us to like record the SimCity presentation and show it then. So will it be possible? Like,
I think so. I think as long as it's a major part of your presentation and it's not possible to recreate it, sure, as long as it fits within 15 minutes.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What do you think, Ivelina, what do you think about having a talking head? I think it's nice to see their faces. What do you think? Yeah, exactly. I think we should try to have each presenter show their face, if possible. And then up to you on the video. If you're going to show a video like of your SimCity, maybe no need to just sit there with your video on doing nothing. But I think when you're speaking and you're narrating the slides, I think it's nice to see the different student faces, kind of get an idea of what part of the world they're from, you know, and you can see the animation on their faces, the enthusiasm. So I think that's a good way to go. Good to see you, Urja. Your microphone is muted.
Can I stop my screen share now?
Yeah, sure. If you're happy with it, looks good to me.
Thank you.
So I'm sharing my screen now. Mine visible.
No, it says started screen sharing. I do not see the presentation yet, and your audio sounds pretty shaky.
Is it better now?
I don't see the presentation, and your audio quality does not sound good. I see a very low resolution screen share, so I think you're having some bandwidth problems. Keep in mind that some of the Cycle 1 presenters are going to go to their school to present from their school and in the hopes of getting better, more reliable bandwidth, a better internet connection. There you
I've
go.
shared it again. Is
That's
it
looking very good. Yeah. Go ahead and say a couple of sentences, please, and go to the
Yeah.
next slide.
Yeah, so this is Cycle to Group 12, the design of a green urban city. That is Utkar Viral. So is my voice clear?
Yes.
Yes, much better now.
Yeah. So I'll stop sharing now. So I'm maneuvering to the slides if you can see that well as well.
Yeah, I can see that as well.
Yeah, very clear. If you can show video and the audio supports it, you know, a talking head, I think that adds to the flavor, the personality of the presenter. But
Yeah, but surely
up
we're
to
on
you.
the final day. I'm not quite ready to do that right now.
I understand.
Yes, just thank you.
You're welcome.
Can I start sharing now?
Yeah, sure.
Is my screen visible?
Yes, but it looks like a vertical phone format, so you're missing most of the screen. Yeah, now it's sideways. There you go. That's it. You got it. Go with that. Good to see you, Manasa.
Sorry.
Looks good. This is nice full screen format now. So if you're presenting from your mobile, this is the way to go.
Thank you. I also have a YouTube video. I have the link next. Can I try it once? If you can hear the audio as well of the video.
Yes, you should definitely test that if you want to share a video.
Yeah. Can you see the video?
Yes, there it goes. Good.
Is it audible?
Yes, there's music playing.
Can I stop sharing that?
Sure. Working pretty good for a mobile phone.
Thank you.
Shall I start sharing?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Is my voice audible?
Yes.
Yes.
And the share?
Yeah, also.
I'm taking ahead. So good?
Yeah, it looked great. And you're not sharing your screen anymore. There you go. Now you're
My
full
video?
video. Yes, and your hair is quite
My
reasonable.
voice. Yeah. And my voice is okay with the video?
Yeah, it's okay. What kind of microphone are you using?
I'm not wearing any headphones, so the inbuilt microphone only.
Yeah, it's okay. But as I said, at minimum, I would get the kind of earphones that have little buds in your ears, and the microphone hangs down just below your face. That's
Okay, I'll wear
cheap, easily available. And then the best quality is boom microphone, right? A big DJ style headphone with a boom microphone that does noise canceling. So if you have one of those available, that's what I would recommend. But the webcam, built into the laptop would be your last choice as far as audio quality.
Okay, got it.
All right, good to see you. Would anybody else like to go next in sharing their screen?
Hi, I'm trying to sign in from my laptop. I'm unable to do so.
Yes, I would say you should test it out.
Hello.
Hello, Advit. Do you want to try sharing your screen?
Wait a second. Uh, Screen.
The big green button at the bottom. And then you select which of your applications. There you go.
Yeah, is it working?
Yeah, it's working perfectly. And your audio quality sounds good.
Yeah, and I'll be switching to better headphones later during the presentation as well.
Good. Yeah, always go with your best quality audio.
Yeah, they were currently out of juice, so I couldn't.
Yeah, I used to use Bluetooth headphones, but then anytime I had my mobile phone nearby, it would make this weird interference, Bluetooth mixing with my mobile phone signal. So I had to go with wired headphones after that.
Yeah. Is it like going smooth or is it having
No, it's
issues
going,
changing?
no, it's going very smooth and quick, surprisingly quick.
Okay, wait, let me check out if the video is working. Okay, so I forgot to put in the compilation link that I had originally. I'll have to put it back again. So let me just check out with this.
Greetings with Group
Yeah,
20.
so
Welcome.
is it audible?
Yes,
So now this
it's
presentation,
audible.
we're expecting this to be
Fine. We'll just
Can you go with
go
a bigger
full
picture?
screen. Yeah,
Yeah,
I'll go
good.
full screen. Wait. Yeah, it's not going full screen, sadly.
GRUEN certificate we have made. Hillwood. So let's get started. The first topic I want to explain is that the sum pics from the simulation.
No, so this ain't happening. This isn't going full screen, sadly.
The building blocks of the health system.
It would be
So
better
the
full
first
screen. It's pretty small right now.
Yeah. Okay, so I might switch device during the meeting. The original one, but this isn't going full screen right now. Maybe because this is a Google Drive link and we'll have to upload it on YouTube. So Google Drive at times does not go full screen as it is.
Yes, I would highly recommend YouTube over a drive, a Google Drive.
Okay, so yeah, we'll upload this in YouTube, the bigger one. No, like the actual one. This was in the original video we have to show. So should I stop now?
Yeah, I think everything's working that you've tested other than the video. It looks fine.
Okay, so close it.
Hi everyone, so we are nearing the end of the session, and if you haven't yet tested out the controls, please type in the chat so we know who else is left. Thank you.
Thukral, I don't know about the webinar registration page. Perhaps you're using the wrong link. Ivelina set those up, so maybe she could answer your question. So who's next? Devraj?
Yeah, I think the question about the laptop is because you can only log in from one device at a time. You cannot log in from your phone and your laptop. I think that's probably the problem.
Yeah, that does make sense.
Can I start presenting?
Yeah, sure.
Is the screen visible?
Yes.
Low
So,
resolution for me.
Is it fine now?
Still very pixelated, at least for me. Anybody else?
Yes. Very low resolution.
Yes.
So I'll change the internet connection on the final day. We have a YouTube video, so I would like to test the audio of that.
Sure. A lot of people have a short video that they want to display their...
Hello. And welcome to this green city. As you can see, there is at least one park next to each building. Is the volume okay?
The volume is a little bit too loud, I would say.
Okay, I'll reduce it. The main road has a row of trees which add to the greenery. Now is the volume okay?
Still a little bit loud, but it's clear. But the picture coming from the video is pretty low quality. All of the video here is pretty low quality. So you might want to test out your backup. Who is your backup?
It's Sanvi.
She should probably test it. If she can do the same presentation.
Okay. And we also need a list of resources. So is this visible? The Word document?
Well, everything on my screen right now is very low resolution and most of the text cannot be read clearly.
Okay. So I'll change the internet connection and then share my screen on the final day.
Sounds good. Make sure your backup is ready. I realize that the backup may not be as well trained or practiced on doing the presentation, but it's essential that we have good, clear audio and preferably clear video too. You know, need both.
Was my, am I audible? Like the volume of my voice?
Yes, there's a little bit of distortion in the background of your audio, but it's loud and fairly clear.
Okay.
Ayan, do you want to share your screen right now? Please do it if you are ready.
That looks clear.
Yeah, is my screen visible?
Yes, your screen is visible. You might want to see if you can move forward and practice your audio.
Yeah, just a second. Is it moving?
It is moving, but your audio is not very good quality.
Yeah, I'm wearing a Bluetooth earphone. I'll try to bring the mic on.
Okay, good. Yeah, if you have any availability for a better microphone, Your presentation looks very clear, and it's progressing through the slides very quickly. Okay, let's go move on to the next person since we're short on time. Thank you. Who's next? Okay, Urja, if nobody else is ready to go ahead.
So my screen is visible?
Yes, a little bit low quality.
Okay.
Does it
Actually,
have any?
Actually, this
Go ahead.
video is of low quality.
Whoa.
I
We'll be
understand.
making a new video for the final presentation day.
It's okay if this is good enough. I realize that when you come off of a phone capture, it may not be the top quality. But what about the audio? Do you want to? Are you going to narrate it yourself, or is there audio built in? Go ahead, Urja.
This is the audio audible?
I don't hear any audio for the video for this SimCity video. No.
Okay.
It's not playing. It's just a frozen image.
Yes, now I will play this and
which has been prepared using SimCity Simulator. I will be explaining 12.
Is it audible now?
Definitely audible. It's a little bit too loud.
Okay, I'll.
There you go.
In this video, with respect to.
Okay, so.
Still too loud.
Okay.
To start with, sustain.
Is it still loud?
Yes, the same volume level all 3 times.
Okay, I'll try to correct it in the final one.
Yeah, good. We need to move on. We have a few more people that want to present.
Yes.
Thank you, Urja. Abhijit. Abhijit.
Yeah, just a second.
I was just practicing saying your name.
Oh.
There you go. Prasanada looks good. Are you going to narrate this yourself?
No. Arnav's gonna narrate. He's the presenter. I'm the backup presenter.
Very good. If need be, are you ready to present if he has audio problems?
Yeah, I think.
Well, you might want to practice. Okay, looks good, Abhijit. Okay. Who's next?
Sanvi should be the next one.
Can I go now?
Yeah, sure.
Sanvi.
Is my screen visible?
Yes, it is. Pretty good quality. The text on the left is hard to read, and the text in there, the small text is okay. Now it's getting better. Why don't you try your audio, your narration? Tanvi, can you test out by saying a couple of sentences? Can anybody hear her clearly? I'm getting very minimal audio there. Can anybody hear her clearly?
Very broken.
Okay, so it's on her end. Who's backup for Sanvi?
She's the backup presenter.
Who is presenting now? That's Sanvi.
Can I try my video?
Yes, and your audio suddenly sounds much better. I think your bandwidth is very minimal, Sanvi. I'm not sure if it's good enough, frankly.
Hello and welcome to this green city. As you can see, there is at least one.
Yes, very clear and loud. All of the SimCity videos are very loud, but that audio is very good, actually, quite clear.
Okay.
Who else is waiting to go? Yes, Jashini, just technical checks.
So
anybody else?
If you have tested your audio or the screen share function, you can actually leave now.
Class dismissed if you've already tested. Anybody else that hasn't tested would like to? We have a few more minutes, I think.
I have already tried once, but now I have changed my internet connection, so could I try again?
I guess so. No one else is requesting it, so JC, anybody else in line?
Not really.
All right. Was that Advit?
Devraj.
Very good. Devraj. Devraj.
Yes, I'll just share the screen.
Five minutes left.
And now, is it better?
Still low res on my end. Very low refresh rate. Text cannot be, is not legible.
Okay. So I'll try to sort out this problem before the final meeting.
Okay. Good luck. Best wishes. Is that everybody? Well, we have a few minutes left, so we just made it. Just under the wire, as they say. Anybody else? Otherwise, cycle 2, we'll see you guys all on the 11th, right? I'll send out the exact schedule, or at least the estimated schedule for the group order and rough group times. And I would expect all of you to be there at the beginning, so you're not, you don't miss anything. Do not cut it close, people. When it's your turn, we're going to expect you to be there and be ready to go. Does everybody understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thanks, Brent, and thank you everyone for joining us today. Just to add again that the Cycle 1 presentations are on the first day of the conference and the Cycle 2 presentations are on the second day of the conference. You are welcome to attend both days. And once the 2 days are completed, we will know which groups are shortlisted for the Q&A sessions with the jury on day 3. We will send the links for accessing the Zoom conference later today or tomorrow. And the links for day 3 will be sent only after the end of day 2. So don't be confused that you only receive day 1 and day 2 currently.
How many groups are going to get selected for the next round?
Sorry, can you repeat that?
How many groups are going to get selected for the next round?
For the next round, there will be 6 cycle 1 groups and 6 cycle 2 groups.
Okay, understood. Thank you.
So Evelina has a good point. If you want to take a look at cycle 1, you should definitely come and watch their presentations on the first day.
Yes, everyone is welcome to attend day 1 and day 2. It doesn't matter if they are cycle 1 or cycle 2.
Check out your competition people, and if you maybe get some ideas on how to best present, that might give you some tips, some ideas to improve your presentation style on your day. So sometimes it's an advantage to go second day.
And with that, we need to wrap up today's test session. Thank you everyone for joining us. Thank you to Brant and JC for helping arrange everything. And we look forward to seeing everyone on Thursday.
So I'll end the meeting right now. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good job, JC. Take care, everybody.
Bye.